Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Tails OS on USB for privacy on US computers. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Tails OS image from the official website. Ensure you have a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage. Connect the USB drive to your computer. Open a disk imaging tool such as Etcher or Rufus. In the disk imaging tool, select the downloaded Tails OS image file. Choose your USB drive from the list of available devices. Confirm that you have selected the correct USB drive to avoid data loss. Click on the Flash or Start button in the tool to begin the installation process. Wait for the tool to complete the process, which might take several minutes. Once the flashing process is complete, safely eject the USB drive. Now, restart your computer while keeping the USB drive plugged in. Access the boot menu by pressing the appropriate key for your computer brand during startup. This key is usually F12, F10, Escape, or Del, depending on your system. In the boot menu, select the USB drive to boot from it. Once Tails OS loads, you will be presented with the welcome screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the Tails environment as desired. Choose your preferred language and click Start Tails. Wait for Tails OS to finish starting up. You are now ready to use Tails OS for enhanced privacy on your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.